So you asked your mom for permission to watch a video.
No, I just gave it to her because I knew there was something about that. So I'm like, please say no. Please say no.
You didn't want to watch it?
I didn't think I was prepared.
So how's the video?
I don't even want to talk about it.
Why not?
It shows you about puberty of girls and boys and what
That's the
happens.
stuff that you're gonna go through.
I know.
So then why don't you want to learn about it?
In 6th grade, I'm like, you know what, I think I should watch it in 6th grade. When I saw that, I'm like, oh my god, I'm not prepared for this. I said I was gonna watch it in 6th grade. I didn't think I was prepared for this.
You didn't want to learn about puberty?
In 5th grade, no.
Why?
I wasn't prepared. I felt too young.
You feel young?
Yes.
No.
Oh goodness.
So what do you think about the video? Huh?
Oh, he said, oh, I just couldn't stand it. He's like, oh my god, I just couldn't.
But someone asked this question that made everyone laugh. Do you fart while you're doing sex? I'm like,
Do you what?
Do you fart while you take sex?
Stop. Nobody's talking to you. Wait, what was the question?
Do you fart when you take sex?
Do you fart when you're having sex?
Yes. So, and then the teacher replied to him, alright, you know in basketball when you're playing and you got a fart and you play too much, well yeah, it's like
It could happen?
Yeah. It can happen. Have you ever done that?
Have I ever done what?
Fart.
Have I ever farted when I'm having sex? Why are you asking me those questions?
That's what someone asked.
Oh god. That is funny.
But have you?
No, I haven't. Ask your mom. Oh, you're funny. What do you think, Chris?
It's disgusting. I'm kind of curious. Cat looks
I'm curious too.
Cat looks like nothing.
Oh man, that's funny.
How it looks.
I'm gonna save this. You know it?
Wait.
I'm gonna save it until you turn about 20 years old, so I can remind you about this.
No, but did you record what I said?
Yes.
Yeah.
What? Oh.
I was recording the whole time.
Oh my god, Dad. How dare you?
That was messed up. I'm curious of the video.
Well, you're gonna have to wait until you're in 5th grade.
Yeah, that's
Or
why.
fourth? Chris,
No.
Fifth
watch
grade.
me. Just watch me.
Andrew, don't.
My god. That was such a dumb. That was a funny
You
question.
watched this video at school, right?
Yeah.
That's funny. Welcome. You're about to turn a teenager. You still got a couple years. You're only 10,
Oh.
turning 11.
I'm 8. Oh.
You're 8, but you act like you're 3.
Yeah, he does actually.
He acts like he's 5.
Look at this. Look at this. Look at this.
He
said it's normal for him.
Look at Andrew, acts like he's 2,
I just act like a kid.
like a baby.
Yeah. He cries for everything. I act like a chicken baby.